Imagine yourself in this Ram 2017 1500 Bighorn. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include Bighorn Regional Package, Quick Order Package 26S Bighorn, 6 speakers, 9 Alpine speakers with subwoofer, AM/FM radio, audio jack input for mobile devices, charge-only remote USB port, GPS antenna input and media hub USB. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.